I've never had anyone complete the words I say. You told me the one you're with can make you feel this way. If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing.
Welcome back to my channel, the Nick Diaries. I am Nick and today I am vlogging because I love vlogging and sharing my experience with all of you. And today vlog is all about my staycation at the Leela. After checking out from the Taj Exotica, we checked into another beautiful property, and that too in South Goa, the Leela Goa. And let me tell you, it's one of the beautiful property I have ever seen in my life. And also the second reason was that I haven't stayed in the Leela of any of its property in India, so I just want to experience that experience of the Leela hospitality. So we decided on our trip to Goa, let's go and stay at least for one day at the Leela Goa. So here I am at the Leela Goa. So if you haven't checked out my last vlog where I checked in to the Leela, where I gave room tour, high tea and a view of swimming pool and much more, then do check it out. I will link it here. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit on subscribe button. So after spending some good time near the beach, now it's time to move ahead and explore this beautiful property, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक ही दिन है इस property को explore करने के लिए. So we decided let's stay at resort only and not go out somewhere else, just enjoy itself here. And let me tell you, the weather of Goa is so different कि अभी तक इतना sunny था and right now it is again cloudy in just 2 minutes. So इतना unpredictable weather होता है गोवा का during monsoon time, but I'm loving the vibes of Goa monsoon as well as weather. So what we are waiting for? Let's get started with today's vlog.
If the shoe fits, wear it. If there's no comparing. This is true love, I swear. And we need to.
One of the best things which I love about the Leela is the view of the property. From here you get the view of beach as well as small hill or you can say mountain, जो मैंने अभी तक यहाँ पर देखा ही नहीं है कि mountains या hill है गोवा में. That is a different case कि मैं दूसरी जगह कोला बीच वगैरह घूम के आई थी. They are on mountain side, but view के लिए this is like amazing. You get to see such beautiful view. So this is the mountain which I can see from here, and it is said that a lagoon and beach is connecting, so it's really a beautiful view.
Make a choice right now. I know this could end in a catastrophe, but there's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight.
So basically the area in which I'm moving is Leela's nursery, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मुझे बहुत टाइप के flowers and different type of plants I can see. Right now you can see this is one of the flower which I love the most. मुझे इसका नाम नहीं पता, but whenever I see I love the most. इसके बहुत सारे कलर होते हैं, pink, red. Leela have their own spice garden. A lot of spices being grown in house only. So let's check out what all spices are here. So this is the spice garden of the Leela. As soon as you enter you will see mango tree, and you can see one direction is for herbal garden and another one is for spice garden. Names proper और jackfruit and बताएगा कि कौन से part use होते हैं. Like यहाँ पर बताया roots होती है, leaves, fruit, seed, wood, lactose, and किस कारण के लिए होती है वो भी है. डायरिया, बॉयल्स, बाउंस, यूलिकस. तो ये पूरा जो एरिया है वो गार्डन एरिया है, स्पाइस और हर्बल गार्डन. दिस इज़ नटमेग ट्री, जिस पे लिखा गया है उसका साइंटिफिक नेम और कौन सा पार्ट यूज़ होते हैं नटमेग में, सीड और मेज. and useful for diarrhea, vomiting or cardiac disorder. So basically spice garden is like an information garden and knowledgeable garden basically, जहाँ पर आप वो बचपन की तरह उसका scientific name याद कर रहे हो, उसके uses याद कर रहे हो और कहाँ आप कौन से पार्ट से क्या कर सकते हो वो चीज़ें यूज़ कर रहे हो. So this is actually really useful क्योंकि मुझे तो almost बहुत टाइम हो चुका है स्टडी छोड़े हुए, So it's like refreshing my childhood days because we used to study all this during science classes. Let me know in the comment section. So this is kokum tree, जिसमें ये भी diarrhea. I think diarrhea is one of the major disease or something like this क्योंकि सब में diarrhea में use है. Then that is pepper. After seeing spice garden, I have come towards herbal garden. तो अब यहाँ पर भी देख लेते हैं कौन से हर्बल्स है क्योंकि बहुत ही लंबे लिस्ट है, बहुत सारे टाइप के लगे हुए हैं. तो आई जस्ट गिव यू अ व्यू ऑफ इट और अ व्यू सो दैट यू हैव एन आइडिया क्योंकि अगर ये मैं सारे नाम पढ़ने लगी तो ऑलमोस्ट इट विल टेक होल व्लॉग फॉर दैट. सो जस्ट हैव अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ इट. So Leela have their own Italian restaurant with riverside view. So I have reached to that place and this place is totally different. As soon as you enter the restaurant area, the gate to the restaurant, you will see the river from far off the place only and you will see a lot of boats. This area has altogether different vibe, really beautiful, and you can just choose a spot and just sit and enjoy the view.
Remember we said with faith we try to let.
So this is the Italian restaurant by the Leela and the view is this riverside. I don't think so restaurant is open right now, but we can enjoy here.
This past, and no matter how much we avoided, we would still cross paths. If the shoe fits, wear it.
This is the dinner buffet area and as soon as you enter you see the dessert counter and lot of dessert options and especially in bakery item. This is the first one, pineapple custard, vanilla rose mousse. You can see some chocolate cake and this is pastry which is looking so pretty, white forest cake and mocha brownie. Today is my favorite. I love having brownie. And this is mousse tart, some Indian sweets basically. So this is rice kheer, baby khana. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a traditionally Goan dish and chocolate burfi. Let's see the main course. This is the whole buffet layout area. And on right hand side is the sitting area. Let's check out because I can see the buffet is really huge.
But there's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight, 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 tonight.
So this is the first plate of mine for dinner. Some salad, starter, corn and peas cutlet, and this is goan pao and some bhel puri. So this is my dessert plate. It looks something like this: mocha brownie, chocolate chip burfi. I forgot to shoot my main plate, so that's why I have to come directly to the dessert plate. Good morning guys and it's a brand new day. Also अगर आपने देखा है वीडियो को पूरा तो you know कि after having dessert there is no video. The reason for that is actually जैसे ही हमने डिनर किया इतनी तेज़ बारिश होने लग गई कि I was not able to shoot anything and then the battery was also not sufficient. So I just came to my room and I just hit the bed and I'm just saying hi to you in the morning. I will be taking you along for the breakfast so that I can give you a breakfast buffet tour as well as what I'm eating in a day at the Leela breakfast. So you also come along with me and let's have breakfast, and then I will be reviewing it in the video, so keep watching the whole video. So this is the breakfast buffet, and as soon as you enter you see namkeen and some papri and some chutneys here. This is the bakery counter, banana cake, some muffins.
I've never had anyone complete the words I say. You told me the one you're with can make you feel this way. If the shoe fits.
Some Maggi, aloo paratha, maybe thepla, puri, chole, pav bhaji. And this one is the live counter for South Indian food. You can order yourself from the table. This is the live counter where you can order for waffles and pancake for yourself. So let's start the day first with the fruits. I always start my day with fruits at buffet. This is watermelon, pineapple and melon. So this is how my breakfast plate looks like. Maggi, this is one hotel where I'm seeing Maggi as a breakfast. This is rava suji upma. This is pav served with mint chutney. Chole leke aayi hu pav ke saath khane ke liye. And this is sweet onion chutney and my favorite panna chokla. I just love having panna chokla.
And we need to make a choice right now. I know this could end in a catastrophe.
Maggi is like loaded with a lot of peas and bell peppers, different kinds of bell peppers, and it is tasty. मुझे मैगी वाला वो टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा जो मसाले का होता है, but I think they have used their own masala mix up करके, but it is tasty and this is not spicy at all. It's really good.
But there's no other place I feel I should be. Tonight, 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 tonight,
I just had amazing breakfast. Frankly speaking, the buffet breakfast lay down was really huge. You have so much of options to eat from. Obviously इतना नहीं खाता कोई भी, but definitely for every person they have lot of options. मतलब मैगी कौन देता है hotels में, but they do have Maggi in breakfast option, frankly speaking. And also live counters were there for pancakes, waffle, dosa and eggs to order जो आपको चाहिए वो थे. Lot of dry fruits. Dry fruit is you will find in every hotel, but the thing which was like really interesting for me was to see the infused water, because that I usually don't find in hotel. The Leela is known for the buffet of breakfast, dinner, lunch, and they are to the point because itni variety hai, whether it's continental, whether it's Indian, whether it's South Indian, मतलब आपको ज़रूर कोई ना कोई option रहता ही रहता है. And especially एक dish आपकी हर buffet में मिलती है, that is Goan dish, मतलब कोई ना कोई related होगी. My stay at the Leela was really amazing and comfortable. They go one step ahead to make sure that you are not facing any problem, or if you have any special request, they make sure that they are able to fulfill. And lot of activities are there for kids, for yourself. तो आप कभी बोर हो गए नहीं प्रॉपर्टी में किसी भी टाइम पे, because there is so much to be done. And it's really a very beautiful greenery and peaceful place to be. So if you are in Goa and you want to give try to the Leela Goa, definitely give a try. It's really beautiful property and you will not be disappointed, that I can assure you. So this is for my stay at the Leela Goa. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I would be very happy to help you out. And if you love today's video, don't forget to hit on like button, give give a big thumbs up, show your love and support, and share the video if someone is planning to travel to Goa and they are looking for luxurious experience, then they can give a try to this property. Let me know how you like the video and how the property is. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet or puri video dekh liya, to do give a think about subscribing to it. And you can follow me on Instagram. Also, it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful property and experience. See you in the next vlog. Till then, keep yourself healthy and safe, and do hit on bell icon so that jab nayi video aaye, you are be notified about it. See you, tada, bye bye. So it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful property. See you in the next vlog.